Anxiety, filling up every space, no privacy. And silently, it can build and build until you finally see. Whoa, it's taking over, damn no closure, moving closer. No exposure, I just wanna be a loner.
Fucking superstars, feeling like a pop star. Drinking any bad bitches, jumping in the pool and they ain't got on no bra.
I got nightmares in my head,
I feel and on the tracks and now she screaming out no more. They like Savage, why you got a 12-car garage and you only got 6 cars?
We got more play. We need more play.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling exaggerated, that's what you assume. The story's over now, I must conclude. I am conflicted, watching where I step still, hanging in the balance. Not the life I want to live, I want to take it all.